Welcome to Greenmoxie. Today I'm going to share with you a really great recipe. It's called French toast pigs in a blanket, and it is everything that phrase entails. It's the sweet decadence of French toast combined with that savory umami deliciousness of pigs in a blanket, all in an incredibly easy to eat and convenient breakfast food. The best thing about this is that it's super easy to make as well. So whether you're out camping, you're in your RV, you're on a road trip, or you're just in your kitchen on a Sunday morning, this is a great breakfast recipe. Let's add some oil to the pan and fry up our sausages. So we're gonna make 4 here. So we've got 4 slices of bread and an egg. So just scale it up or down appropriately depending on the number of people you have for breakfast. Crack an egg into a bowl and add salt and pepper if you like. Dip each slice of bread into the egg. Place a sausage in the middle of your toast and wrap the bread around it, pinching the ends together. Now cook evenly on all sides. Thank you so much for joining us today. It's always so great to have you here, and if you would like some more bushcrafting tips and camping recipes, please consider subscribing. We have great stuff coming to you this summer.